The warning starting system problem in Honda vehicles is quite confusing, and a lot of dealerships will tell you that there is a TSB or even recall for replacing the engine start button. But they are not completely right. The engine start button problem is actually quite common for some model years, but it will throw the keyless start system problem warning. The message starter system problem means a different thing that you can fix on your own. The trigger for this message is a wet sensor or connector under the front panel. A very common culprit for such water intrusion is the installation of the tinted line in the upper part of the windshield. When it's being installed, workshop workers use soapy water to position it correctly, and some water may go down the windshield and get under the front panel where it comes into contact with a certain badly protected connector. Then it gives the starter system problem warning. Also, if you have any condensate on the windshield for some reason, have cleaned the windshield from inside, replaced the windshield, or had ice melt on the inner part of the glass, these could also trigger the warning. There is a simple solution for this. Turn on the windshield defrost mode on your climate controls, and the dry air from the AC condenser will dry up the connector after 1 or 2 hours of driving. This will fix the issue and the warning will disappear the next time you start your car. Alternatively, just let it dry for a day and it will disappear on its own.